Welcome to a fresh perspective on clean living. Today, we dive into the world of deep cleaning. This isn't your everyday spritz and wipe. We're talking about an in-depth, thorough cleanse that tackles stubborn dirt, grime, and even infestations, transforming your living spaces into healthy, hygienic havens. Why is deep cleaning so important, you might ask? Well, beyond the obvious aesthetic appeal, a clean home is a healthier home. Deep cleaning eliminates bacteria, allergens, and pests that can impact your health and well-being. It also enhances your living experience. Imagine walking into a room that not only looks clean but feels clean. That's the magic of deep cleaning. But to truly master deep cleaning, we need a systematic approach, a step-by-step guide that leaves no corner unturned, no surface untouched. And that's exactly what we're here to share with you today. Now, let's explore the 5-step process to achieve a deep-cleaned, pest-free home. Our first step to a sparkling clean home is assessment and planning. Imagine you're a general preparing for battle. You wouldn't rush headlong into enemy territory without first assessing the situation and formulating a strategy, would you? The same principle applies when tackling infestations and dirt in your home. It's crucial to evaluate the extent of the problem before launching your cleaning offensive. Start by taking a good hard look around your living space. Don't be shy, peek under the furniture, check behind the curtains, and don't forget about those sneaky corners where dust bunnies love to hide. This isn't the time for a quick once-over. You need to know exactly what you're up against. Are you dealing with a minor dust situation, or is it a full-blown infestation? Are we talking about a single room or the whole house? The answers to these questions will help you gauge the scale of the task at hand. Once you have a clear picture of the situation, it's time to draw up your battle plan. Every home is unique, with its own set of challenges and quirks. That's why a one-size-fits-all approach to cleaning just won't cut it. Your plan should be as unique as your home. Consider the type of dirt or infestation you're dealing with. Different pests require different strategies, and the same goes for various types of grime and stains. Your plan should also factor in the size and layout of your home. A sprawling ranch-style home requires a different approach than a compact apartment. The key is to be thorough but realistic. Set achievable goals and break your plan down into manageable tasks. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and your home won't be spotless in an hour. But with a well-thought-out plan, you can make steady progress and eventually triumph over the dirt and pests. With a solid plan in place, we're ready to dive into the cleaning process. So, roll up your sleeves and let's get to work. Your home is about to become the cleanest it's ever been. Step 2 is all about decluttering and organizing. The process of deep cleaning can be quite intimidating if you're standing in the middle of a cluttered room. But worry not. Let's break it down into manageable chunks. First things first, decluttering. This is like setting the stage before the main act. It is essentially about removing items that do not belong in a particular space. Think about it as a pre-cleaning phase, where you're sorting out what stays and what goes. You might be amazed at how much space you can free up just by getting rid of items you no longer need or use. Now, on to organizing. This is where you give everything a home. It's all about creating a system where every item has a designated place. And as a bonus, it makes maintaining cleanliness a breeze. For an efficient organization, consider the functionality of each space. Arrange items in a way that supports its purpose. In the kitchen, for instance, keep your cooking utensils within arm's reach of the stove. In the living room, make sure your remote controls have a designated spot near your seating area. Don't forget the hidden spaces too: cabinets, drawers, and closets. These are often the overlooked areas that can become a breeding ground for pests if left unchecked. Ensure these spaces are well organized and free from unnecessary items. And here's a pro tip: use storage solutions to your advantage. Baskets, bins, and dividers can work wonders in keeping your spaces tidy and organized. Remember, decluttering and organizing are not about creating a picture-perfect home, but rather about making your space work for you. It's about creating an environment that's easy to clean and maintain. So, take your time with this step. It might require the most effort, but trust me, it's worth it. A clutter-free, well-organized space not only makes the subsequent cleaning process easier but also contributes to a healthier, more comfortable living environment. With a well-organized space, we're set to tackle targeted cleaning. So, are you ready to dive into the next step? Stay tuned. Now, we delve into the heart of deep cleaning targeted cleaning techniques. When it comes to deep cleaning, one size definitely does not fit all. Different surfaces and materials call for different cleaning techniques, so it's crucial to tailor your approach accordingly. Let's start with hard surfaces like countertops and floors. They're often the main battlegrounds in the war against grime and infestation. When cleaning these, it's best to start with a simple sweep or dusting, followed by a thorough wipe down with a suitable cleaner. Choose a cleaner that not only sanitizes but also preserves the surface material. Next up, soft surfaces. Think carpets, rugs, and upholstered furniture. These can harbor a surprising amount of dirt and pests, hidden deep within their fibers. For these, a good vacuuming is the first step, but for a truly deep clean, consider steam cleaning. It penetrates the fibers, lifting out dirt and killing a wide range of pests. Don't forget about the nooks and crannies. Door frames, windowsills, and other overlooked spots can become hideouts for pests. Use a small brush or a pointed vacuum attachment to reach into these areas and dislodge any lurking, unwelcome guests. Now let's talk about cleaning products. It's important to choose the right one for the job. Look for products that are designed to tackle the specific types of infestations you're dealing with. For example, if you're fighting mold, you'll need a product that not only kills the visible mold but also eliminates the spores to prevent future growth. Remember, some infestations like bedbugs or termites are best left to the professionals. If you're dealing with one of these, it's time to call in the experts. And finally, always remember to protect yourself during the cleaning process. Wear gloves, use masks when necessary, and ensure proper ventilation, especially when using strong cleaning products. With our spaces now gleaming, it's time to address those pesky invaders. Step 4 is all about effective pest control strategies. Let's dive into the world of pest control, where we'll explore a variety of methods to keep those unwelcome critters at bay. Pests can be stubborn, and different types may require specific strategies. It's not a one-size-fits-all situation. For instance, cockroaches may scurry away at the sight of boric acid, while mice might be deterred by peppermint oil. Therefore, knowing your pests is the first step towards planning an effective control strategy. Now, let's talk about natural remedies. These are a great starting point, especially if you're keen on keeping your home free of harsh chemicals. From essential oils like citronella for mosquitoes to diatomaceous earth for bed bugs, natural remedies can be surprisingly effective and environmentally friendly. However, if the infestation is severe or persistent, it may be time to call in the professionals. Pest control companies have the expertise and equipment to handle large-scale infestations, and they can ensure that pests are eradicated without causing harm to your living environment. But remember, pest control isn't just about dealing with the problem at hand, it's also about preventing future infestations. So let's look at some preventive measures. Sealing entry points is a critical step. Pests can enter your home through the tiniest of openings, so ensure to seal cracks and gaps in walls, doors, and windows. Next, proper waste management is key. Pests are attracted to food and waste, so make sure your trash is sealed and removed regularly. Last but not least, regular cleaning and maintenance can go a long way in keeping pests at bay. This includes frequently cleaning high-risk areas like kitchens and bathrooms, and maintaining a clutter-free environment to eliminate potential hiding places for pests. Remember, pest control is a continuous process. It's not about a single massive cleanup, but rather about creating a sustainable, pest-free environment. With pests under control, we're on to the final step. Our final step involves adding those finishing touches and maintaining our clean space. After all, what's the point of deep cleaning if we don't keep it up, right? So let's dive into it. Finishing touches are all about making your space feel fresh and inviting. These can be as simple as fluffing up your pillows, rearranging your bookshelves, or adding a beautiful plant to brighten up the room. Remember, it's these little details that make a house feel like a home. Now, let's talk about maintenance. The key to a clean and pest-free environment is consistency. Regular cleaning and decluttering can go a long way in preventing infestations. Make a habit of inspecting your home for signs of pests. If you spot any, address them immediately. Whether it's a natural remedy or a professional intervention, swift action is crucial. And there you have it, a deep-cleaned, pest-free home. Let's recap our deep cleaning journey. We started with the critical first step of assessing and planning, evaluating the extent of infestation and dirt in our homes. We learned that a customized plan, tailored to our unique challenges, is essential for effective results. Next, we tackled decluttering and organizing, breaking down the cleaning process into manageable tasks. We shared tips on how to arrange spaces efficiently, making the cleaning process less daunting. Then we demonstrated targeted cleaning techniques for different materials and surfaces, emphasizing the importance of using appropriate cleaning products for specific infestations. We also explored pest control strategies, discussing a range of methods from natural remedies to professional interventions. We provided insights on how to prevent future infestations through proper maintenance. Finally, we added the finishing touches to make our spaces feel fresh and welcoming, and offered advice on maintaining a clean and pest-free environment. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to share your experiences and tips in the comments below, and subscribe for more clean living tips.